Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge collective slash shopping spree haul for you guys. I have went a little crazy this past month on shopping and just buying stuff that I don't need. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I've been buying recently. I have Victoria's Secret, Nike, Converse, Revolve, Urban Outfitters, Princess Polly, White Fox, Dossier, and I think that's it. I don't know. I have a lot of stuff and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. As always, I'll have all these items mentioned in today's video linked and listed in the description box. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So it's not a shopping spree haul without Dossier. You guys know I love them so much. They're my favorite brand to buy fragrances from. They're a fragrance website that replicates designer inspired fragrances for a fraction of the cost, and they also do free 30-day returns. You can't beat it. Their fragrances are immaculate. Like, I have a lot of the designer ones and then the Dossier versions, and like I can't even tell which is which. They're amazing. Check them out. I have a discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off. I have a link in the description box if you guys want to check them out. They also have a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. You can select Catch at the last step of checkout and you can earn a $10 sign-on bonus credit, and you get rewarded with 10% store credit on every order. Let's see what I got this month from them. So this first one is called Woody Oak Moss, and it's inspired by Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, I really like this one. I love Chanel fragrances. This is very like feminine, sophisticated, but not like too old, you know? I like it a lot. That's the first one that I got. And then the second one that I got is Floral Sandalwood, and it's inspired by Mason Francis, which is the designer of Baccarat Rouge 540. This is Amorous Extrait de Parfum. So I'm really excited about this one. I have not even heard of this. You guys, this smells amazing. Wow. Okay. I really like this one. Make sure you guys check out Dossier. I'll have a link in the description. Don't forget to use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off. Thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. It is always a pleasure. And without further ado, let's get into the rest of the haul. We're gonna get started with shoes. I have 4 pairs. So we're just gonna go down the line. First pair is a pair of Nike Dunk Lows. I got these off of StockX, and it's a really funny story because I placed a bid on these not thinking that I would get them, and then like a couple of days went by, I didn't get them, so I placed an even higher bid. Basically, I paid overpriced for these, but it's fine. I really wanted them. I don't know why, but they're the Nike Dunk Low Racer Blues, I think, but they are stunning. I wore them this weekend out at the bars, so they're a little dirty already, but they were this like gorgeous, almost like Duke blue. I'm from North Carolina, so love Duke, but it's almost like a Duke blue and white contrast. I'm obsessed. I love Dunk Lows. They're like my favorite thing at the moment. I totally put them in wrong. Anyways, they're like my favorite thing at the moment. Like, I'm obsessed. So got these off of StockX in a 5.5 youth, and I wore them. Can't even remember what I wore them with, but I need to find like some tops that like are gonna match that color blue, because I currently don't have any. I think I just wore black with it, but still a vibe. I love them. So next up, I have 2 pairs of Converse, and these are both the platform Converse. I don't even know what they're called. I'll have them linked down below. Let me just say, I just did a favorites video, but I really regret doing it so soon because these should have been in that video, because if you can tell, I've worn the heck out of them already. Like, they are so freaking dirty. So the first pair is this black platform. I actually got these in a 6.5 women's. My normal size is a 7, and I got the other pair that I'll show you in a 7, and they're a little big. They still fit, but these like are a little bit tighter. So I got the black ones in a 6.5, and they are freaking amazing. Like, they're so dirty. Like, I feel so bad, but I love pairing them with jeans. I love pairing them with leggings, shorts. Like, I'm obsessed, and I've never been a high top girl, like, ever. I hate high tops, but these are a vibe. I love the platform. And the first pair that I got are these white pair, and they're very dirty too, but I got these in a 7. They still fit. I think I prefer the 6.5. I'm not really sure, but these are just stunning. And I've been wearing these so much. Like, these Converse, between the black and the white ones, like, they've been my uniform. Like, that's all I've been wearing recently. Like, it's actually kind of crazy. So, yeah, I'm not mad about it, though. Okay, this last pair of shoes, I haven't even looked at these. These are from Revolve. They are the brand Jeffrey Campbell. Look how sick the box is. It makes me want to throw up because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting these for so long, and they've been on back order for like months. Don't even know what these are called, but I'll have them linked. I just got these pair of black cowboy / western boots. They're absolutely sickening. They're stunning. So if you guys don't know, I have a house in Wyoming, and I needed some more like western style boots for out there. These are a little bit like dressier and like nicer, you know, but I just thought for going out, like these would be perfect, and I can't wait to like style these. And yeah, I'm a southern girl and a western girl, I guess. So, and a city girl. I'm a city girl too, but I'm obsessed with cowboy boots. So I had to get these. I already have a pair of brown boots and white boots, so I needed black to complete my collection. So now we're good. All right, moving on to the clothing. I will try and insert pictures throughout this portion of the video of me wearing these items, because most of the stuff that I'm about to show you I have worn. So I'll try and find pictures. But starting off, this one I actually haven't worn. I just got this in the mail the other day, but it's the infamous Urban corset top. I got it in this beautiful purple in a size small. I have the black one in a medium, and it's a little big. So I think I'm gonna wear this tonight. I'm going to a wine mixer at High Point University, and I'm just now realizing that this is High Point University's colors. This is perfect. Probably wear this with some jeans. But yeah, I was stalking the website waiting for this to come back in stock, and then I like checked and it was out of stock, and then I checked back like 30 minutes later and they had one left. So I went ahead and ordered it. They're just like so cute, and they go with everything, and I needed it in this purple color. I need it in every color, but they're always out of stock. So next up, from Princess Polly, this is the Becca cropped long sleeve top. I got this in this beautiful orange. I was hoping that it was gonna go with my Nike Dunk Low laser oranges, but it doesn't. It's a little too orangey for the shoe. The shoe's a little bit more yellowy, but nonetheless, I love these tops. These are my favorite tops ever for going out. I wore this last weekend. I liked it a lot. I wore it with some like jean shorts. So I'll try and find a picture, but I don't know if I have a picture. But super cute. I have this in every single color that has ever come out. So next up, from White Fox, I got this little corset top, I guess. I don't know. This is so stinking flattering. I'll try and find a picture. I wore this out a couple weekends ago, and makes your boobs look so good. I've recently lost a lot of weight, and my boobs have deflated, so I need all the help that I can get, and this is such a vibe. I got this in an extra small, and it fits so good. I love the black with the white contrast stitching. It's so cute, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, it's so stinking cute. So I'll have a link down below. I don't have a code for White Fox or Princess Polly at the moment, but stay tuned for Princess Polly because I will have one soon. So yeah. So next up, from Revolve, I have a few clothing pieces. I have a few more on the way, and then I also have some dresses that I'll show you guys last. But oh, I also have some Victoria's Secret I gotta show you guys. Forgot about that. Don't let me forget. So first up, from Revolve, I got these pair of Levi's shorts in a 24. Don't know what these are called. They're the 501s, but they fit so good. I'm obsessed with them. They're in this like light wash denim. I wore these the other day. I wore these out like 2 days in a row with my Converse. Their vibe. It's hard finding like denim shorts that fit me really well, at least, because I'm either a 24 or 23, so it's just like kind of struggle. But next up, I got these Golde Riley high-rise straight crop jeans. I have these in black, and I have them in a denim shade. You guys know these are my favorite jeans ever, and they recently came out with this white shade, so I got these in a 24. They fit so good. I haven't worn them yet, but I thought maybe with that purple corset top it would be a vibe. I don't know. I just need some good white jeans that aren't like too baggy, but like also not too skinny, so these are perfect. And then I also got this top that I ordered last year in black in an extra small, and like I couldn't clasp it, so I ended up returning it, but then I felt guilty about it because it's like $160, and I just returned it because I was like, this is a lot of money. So I ended up repurchasing it in this beautiful cream shade. I got it in a small this time, but sorry guys, my camera cut off. Sorry if the angle changed, but Now I'm wondering if I could have done an extra small since I'm a little smaller than I was last year when I bought this, but I don't know, I haven't tried it on yet, but it's like a beautiful off the shoulder. It's just stunning. Like, it's so elegant. I think I'm gonna wear this for my graduation party this weekend. I'm really excited. We rented out this like brewery for my graduation, so I think I'll wear this. I will for sure be posting Instagrams and Snapchats in this beautiful top because it is just too stunning not to. I don't know what I would wear it with. Maybe just like denim. So then I have 3 dresses from Revolve. This one is from the brand Super Down. Oh, also that top was from the brand House of Harlow, if you guys were wondering. But this is just a Super Down dress. I got it for a wedding that I went to a couple weeks ago. I'll try and find some pictures. I don't know if I have any, but I think I have some pictures of me like trying it on. But super cute, pink. It was a vibe. I loved it. And then I also have 2 of the same dress, also from Super Down. Don't know what these are called. I think it's the Beverly cami dress. Got these in extra small. I got that pink one in extra small. But I got this one for graduation pictures, and I'll probably wear this to graduation. And I got this one for Easter. And they're so cute and they're so flattering. And yeah, so I got it in green and white. Last but not least for this very obnoxious, very long, extravagant haul, I went to Victoria's Secret. First thing that I got is a new bra because, like I said, my boobs have shrunk and I desperately need a boob job. But anyway, so I got this like bra. I thought it was strapless, but it's not. Like, doesn't this look strapless? Like, tell me this doesn't look strapless. It's not though. You can't take the straps off. But I got this in a 32C. So yeah, I just needed another bra. Not that I wear bras ever, but I've like worn this once since I got it, but yeah, so I just got this. Then I also got this cute little corset top that I've seen a lot. I actually have this in pink already, but I got it in red. I got it for like wearing out, but I don't know, it's a little risky. Haven't worn it yet, obviously, but I love it. Like, it's so cute. I actually tried it on. I had to get this in an extra small because I got the pink one in a small and it's a little big. I haven't worn it yet. This one fits amazing, so got that. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen, also listed and linked in the description box below. I'll have all these items mentioned in today's video listed and linked in the description box for you guys to shop. Let me know what I should get next for next month's haul. Don't forget to check out Dossier. I'll have a link in the description. Don't forget to use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.